Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. Today is 18th of April 2025. So today morning Bursa a bit slow, but evening got some momentum, especially energy and some this technology technology sector lah. Okay, so technology sector probably recovery coming because our this minister Tengku Zafrul is going to this US to nego, okay, on the 24th 24th so probably hopefully can get something some good news back I mean good development okay, good negotiation okay, good terms okay, disclaimer. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including without limitation to any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, let's check out global first. Today we are early also today is 3 o'clock. 307 308 but Friday evening you doubt there was a bit of changes, but you see after lunch there a surge in this technology okay, so watch out okay. 1493 now okay, 10.62 points up okay, 0.716%. So there is a lot of MOU being signed between China and Malaysia you know MOU okay, memorandum of understanding and development, utilities, education, AI a lot but MOU, as I said before last time in our when I was in the GM of quite a big company we signed a lot of MOU but MOU is not a agreement to execute something MOU is just say I am interested to do something but a lot of MOU never go through okay, I'm not saying this is fake I'm not saying in Malaysia signing MOU with China or it's fake, it will never develop. I mean there is a good start but don't expect MOU sign. It's not a contract you have to understand. A lot of people see MOU they go and buy they think guarantee thing. It's not guarantee thing so you have to take note just elaborate a bit I'm not saying all these contract will not have any contract. I'm not saying all these after sign this MOU there's no more development. It could be continue a lot of development but as I said, MOU is not a binding contract you have to understand so because sometimes we also every time I see after we sign MOU I think this time we're gonna score big but a lot never materialize okay, so that's why I just want to tell you okay, MOU okay. I mean my experience maybe you sign a lot of MOU, maybe all MOU become big contract but I remember I signed some. I mean our party last time in our when I was working some MOU fall through I mean some MOU did pass through but some MOU never materialized okay. Singapore is 1.580% up, Hong Kong 1.606% up, South Korea 0.527% up, Japan 1.026% up, Thailand 0.340% up, China FTSE dropped 0.116%, China SSE dropped 0.016%, China SXSE up 0.3%, Australia up 0.776%. You see all this trade war is bad for all you see US market dropping big, China also not spiking, so it's not good for either so actually okay. Australia S&P up 776%, sorry, Taiwan up 0.231%, Nifty India up 1.766%. So with this okay, there is I'm not saying this will guarantee happen I just have this hunch okay, with this US Okay, these are big economy in the world with US and China trade war, right? Okay, big economy, big country Okay, China trade war, right? Okay, these two fighting I think probably India will benefit a lot. Okay, this will actually turbocharge India development, become one of the top economical key players in the world. Now India are really the economy is very big but they are not the top superpower yet but I think this one will turbocharge India up because I think a lot of this trade war, a lot of these contract that might go to US. Those contracts that would go to US, contract go to China, all these might divert to India. There is a possibility I'm not saying guarantee will happen because India have the capacity, have the consumption now I think India has more people than China most likely okay. But another thing, okay, India population are younger than China. The China people, most of them are older already. Especially those who build up all those high tech, Huawei all those are middle age and above already. Whereas China the population are younger. And now probably India population are younger and they have more how do you call it? Then their population now okay, should be higher than China, or should be higher nobody can confirm but it seems like now India has more population than China. This is what we hear I get no guarantee this is what we hear. Okay, and India labor are cheap, but India need to catch up. India, their supply chain, everything cannot match China China is very high tech, high tech factory, high tech logistic, high tech R&D technology, everything but India also high tech, but lagging behind China. But they I think all this trade war end of the day might boost India economy up this just might I'm not saying guarantee will happen okay. But US China trade war, they might divert to, but if you want to build a factory outside of China, okay, first India is near you can get supply chain from China, right? Okay, supply chain from China is near and low cost. And also another thing is that India has the market. Okay, but still have to develop the market okay, but India might be the next growing market okay. So you want to sell Coca-Cola, right? You want to go to you want to build a Coca-Cola factory, okay, big Coca-Cola factory, right? You want to build it on the place that a lot of people might consume kind of like that okay. Okay, Dow Jones dropped 1.39%, 1.329%, NYSE up 0.66%, S&P up 0.133%, Nasdaq dropped 0.127%. But now compare, of course, China still hold advantage on all this supply chain, high tech thing, all this. But don't underestimate. A lot of people say they doubt India can catch up and all these things. don't underestimate. Okay, crude palm oil 4,246, Brent oil $67, crude oil 64. So you see it's slightly going up Gold is still high 3347, silver 332.55. US dollar against ringgit 4.4060. Okay, once you see once this trade war start, once this Foxconn, RTA, probably maybe TSMC, Tesla, Mercedes, all these start to build in just like how China started so China industry age started So then you can see suddenly it will come up very fast. You come up very fast. Bitcoin 84,000, Ethereum 1,580. I mean, this is just guess only lah. I'm not saying guarantee will happen all these things lah. Okay. Okay, let's look at Bursa. Okay, now it's 1496 lah, up 12.94 points, 0.87%. Sentiment 57. Gainers 384, losers 288. Unchanged 431, untrade 1315. So yesterday foreign fund net sell lots are down lah, less lah, 16 million only. Local institutional net buy 32 million and local retail net sell 22 million. Okay, there are some WIDAD up lah, want to do project they bought land and want to do project. Okay, later got news Look at the sector. In percentage consumption up 0.62. Okay, consumer up 0.67, energy up 0.99, finance up 1.17, healthcare up 0.3, industry up 0.28, plantation up 0.99, properties up 0.60, REIT up 0.18, technology up 1.44, telco up 0.41, transportation up 0.49, utilities drop 0.17. Okay, look at the chart. Market very close do take note lah. Okay, KLSE looks like okay today positive, up 0.8 now. So okay lah, looks like coming back here lah. Okay, maybe coming back here, maybe potential even can come back higher. Okay, if no more escalation in the trade war and we manage to get after our Tunku Zafu go to US, we get a good negotiation or a good package, so it might okay, it might start further rebound lah. Okay, Ace market drop, Ace market still sideways a bit lah, not moving anywhere. Mid cap up 0.9. Also looks like okay, looks like our this anticipation up still going, still got chance to come up here lah. Small cap up 0.3. Okay, energy energy really start to break through 63, so energy probably starting to recover, going higher. Finance today big rebound finance also lah, finance also maybe we got a rebound back to these two areas lah. Okay, after big drop. Okay, 18,001 or 18,700 lah. Okay, technology still trying to rebound lah, slow lah, 1.35%, but still slow. But you see we got the double bottom here, so technology still got chance to slowly move back up lah, to creep back up. So you might want to watch lah. Okay, technology, especially if we manage to get some good deal with the US lah, good deal with the US. Okay. Facebook. Copy today, this morning I saw lah, copy. Okay, you got double bottom, broken too, so 0.82, 0.93 got chance lah. I wrote there lah. Okay, creating double bottom pattern, potential heading towards these are 0.82, 0.93. If drop below 0.63, drop below 0.63, probably fail already lah. Okay. Means if KLSE full wait second leg correction, more safety, right? You see, you don't straight away buy all lah. You buy some, you see correct a bit, then you add some more like that lah. Okay. Copy after add Susu fly up. Timothy say. Okay, Nick hard possible fake breakout. Later we see lah. Then add Susu. Me, Mary. This is a scam. Okay. Want to see the volume lah. Volume. Okay. Copy, right? Want to see the volume. Okay. Volume tell a big story lah. Okay. You got big volume, then you see our volume double, over double lah. 4 million to 9 million, not even closing. Market not even close lah. So there are bigger volume lah. Okay. Bigger volume normally. If you get bigger volume, it's signal that it actually this uptrend normally is credible lah. Okay, means I mean high probability lah, not no guarantee lah, but high probability lah. Okay, higher probability lah. Okay. Darren crying Darren, why so sad? Market up today. Rip, not rip yet happy what? 等久就有 wait he say wait then you get something Darren, come on, Aaron, still waiting. Okay lah, got some rebound today lah. Okay, look at some news.
ANCOMNY's earnings dropped to RM18.05 mil, revenue down to RM449.01 mil.
Okay, ANCOMNY, take a quick look. Okay, Q3 last year 516, now it's 449 drop so profits 20 million to 80 million, drop 10% YOY, QOQ, drop 19%. Not that bad lah, not that bad lah. Okay, but the revenue drop is a bit concerning lah. ANCOMNY. Oh, ANCOMNY already broke the any rebound. I think chance to run. I already broke the dark triangle lah. Okay, it's not so good lah. Okay, not so good. I think this rebound, I think run first.
Chin Hin Property Partners FIAMMA to develop RM1.03 bill mixed-use project at KLCC area.
Oh, KLCC area. Okay. Chin Hin. CHDP got some rebound now, just sideways. He tried to go up but failed already. Now it's just not so good lah. Not so good. Okay. Now I think it's making a bigger. The breakout failed already lah. The breakout failed already. I think it's making like something like a long bigger downtrend channel. It's not so good lah. Or the next momentum let's say you want to go higher, you need to break out here lah. Okay, breakout 2.4, then only got a new momentum, unless or else it's just either sideways. I think either sideways or either going down for now lah. Okay. FIAMMA. Okay, FIAMMA, we got a breakout, fail, come back down, so we got a false break. False break now is like that. He tried to break up, but he has a false break. Still not too good. Okay, you need to break out a channel, especially make a higher high here. 1.13 lah. He break 1.13, then only we talk.
Hexstar Technologies to emerge as WIDAD's largest shareholder following Nilai land injection.
Okay, Nilai land injection okay.
Under an agreement signed on Thursday, WIDAD will acquire the 10.4-acre industrial land, located within the Nilai Inland Port, from Hexstar Technologies' wholly owned subsidiary. Gupta Bonded Warehouse SDNBHD, GBWSB, for RM31.3 million.
Okay. So it's said to be the biggest shareholder for WIDAD okay, after injection of land Okay, undertake this one
WIDAD plans to undertake a commercial property development on the land, with an estimated gross development value of RM135.29 million.
100 over million Okay, WIDAD nothing much still dropping At least you have to clear this. I think for a long-term rebound lah, you need to clear this 6 cent first lah. Okay, need to clear. Hashtag. Hashtag still in this downtrend. You need to clear 1.34 if you want to continue up lah. Looks like it.
Silver set to see smallest deficit in 4 years.
You see, silver is always deficit lah. Means the miner cannot fulfill the demand lah. Most of the time lah. But this is smaller deficit lah. Probably that's why this not. That's why the silver price not going up as fast as the gold lah.
Robert Kwok kekal terkaya di Malaysia.
Okay, 83.4. Wait. 11.4 billion. Tan Sri Robert Kwok, US dollar. Okay, and number 2 is Tan Sri Kwek lah. Okay, Tan Sri Kwek, Hong Leong lah. Right. Let me see, Hong Leong, right? He got 9.8 billion lah. Okay, our billionaire lah. Okay, 11.4 billion. He's Tan Sri Robert Kwok is richer than Trump. I think Trump is 7 or 8 billion or somewhere around there lah. Okay. I think 7-8 billion. 7-8 lah. You fluctuate around there, I think. But not Elon cannot compare Elon Musk lah. Elon Musk is 300 over billion, 363. So this American is on the top again. Elon Musk number 1, Jeff Bezos number 2, Mark Zuckerberg number 3, Larry Ellison number 4, Warren Buffett number 5. Also, they are still dominating the top 5. Okay. But Elon Musk is not born in US. Now his business in US, but he's not born in US. He's South African.
Trump signals tit for tat China tariffs may be near end. TikTok deal on ice.
Okay. So I think they want to talk already lah.
Tengku Zafrul ke Washington pada 24 April.
Okay.
MNHB wins RM180mil SUBSTATION. MNHB wins RM180mil substation job.
Okay.
HLIB raises earnings outlook for MN Holdings after order book hits new record.
Okay, 101.170 not new target. MNHLDG today 1.3% up, volume 5 million to 6 million. Still got some volume lah, but MN already very high lah. Very high. They are about their target up here lah. I think probably one more push, still potential lah. Okay, still potential one more push, especially if we can hold around 96 cent, above 96 cent lah. Okay, it did make a breakout lah. You take a look okay, it did make a flat pattern and a breakout It make a small flat pattern breakout. So potential up to the top channel top, yes. Still okay. Okay, so there's a break today. So MN still can go, but a bit high lah. Okay, a bit high.
Indonesia says to increase US imports, lower orders from other countries.
So Indonesia already ahead of us. Already went to US. To negotiate. Okay.
Indonesia will increase imports of US food and commodities and reduce orders from countries the Southeast Asian nation currently sources the products from. Chief Economic Minister Erlangga Hartarto told reporters in Washington. Erlangga is in Washington as part of a delegation of senior officials to meet US counterparts for talks on a 32% tariff on Indonesian exports, which has been paused for 90 days. Indonesia has proposed increasing its imports from the US by up to 19 billion United States dollars, including around 10 billion United States dollars of energy imports. To eliminate its trade surplus with Washington and avoid the tariffs threatened by the administration of President Donald Trump. Indonesia also plans to buy agricultural products including wheat, soybeans and soybean mills and increase purchases of capital goods from the US, Erlangga said at the press conference broadcast on video conference platform Zoom.
Okay, so looks like there are some result for the US.
Indonesia will also work on critical minerals and simplify procedures related to American horticultural products imports.
Okay, so looks like okay, there are some result for the US and of course for this Indonesia looks like if this with this news probably they won't get the tariff looks like, right? Okay, so it's not looks like probably let's see complete negotiation within 60 days so not yet confirmed whether we'll get whether how at the end of the day how much is the tariff.
Malaysia's economic growth likely slowed in 1Q, official flash estimates show.
Okay. GDP likely to be 4.4 January March quarter. So this is not a final number it's a forecast
CIMB Thai posts higher 1Q profit on improved operating income.
Okay.
HB Global tumbles after brief rally, trading volume hits 6-month high. Singapore registered HB Global Limited emerged as the second most actively traded stock on Bursa Malaysia during the morning session, amid news that Singapore's key exports slowed in March.
Okay. So HB Global doesn't not looking so good lower low. Any rebound chance to run Today got a big drop, 16%. After big rebound 16%. I mean after a rebound this doesn't look so good Okay. I think any let me see still a bit sideways still a bit sideways, nothing much happening Okay. Yeah. Any rebound? I think it's a chance to run first, I think. Okay. A quick message before I continue. Remember, like, share, comment, support the channel. Okay, all the links are at the description area. Link to CGS, iTrade, TradingView, and this Luno. Okay, you use my link, you can get some reward, some discount, all these things. So you want to open account with CGS to invest Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, US market. Okay, you can try CGS. My friend is a remiser, very friendly guy. Okay, if you want to buy crypto down there, the Luno, you want to open this TradingView, this chart software that I'm using you can try the free version, paid version also can. You use my link Okay. Okay, top gainers. PIE, AMBANK, Dayang, Sendai. Okay, looks like this time this our technology probably still got chance to rebound make a lower high. See, we got uptrend still running, still having an uptrend Okay, especially if we break 4.05, I think it can potential to go up a bit but I don't think a bull market yet because as long as the trade war is on, I don't think there will be any bull market. I think, but there is still a potential continued rebound for this technology sector Okay. Because after the scare, after the 25%, 24%, after the scare, after the our market already starting to drop, already starting to drop. So after a fear, trade war fear, it drops some more. Now it's just people trying to buy at low price lah, trying to start to accumulate from low price, but but it's not no bull market I think lah. It's not a bull market yet lah. Okay. MBank we got some rebound lah, 2%, but no red color. Any rebound I still think it's chance to run lah. Okay, I still think it's chance to run lah. Any rebound back up here, I think it's chance to run. Okay, Dayang. Dayang, okay, Dayang today trying to break out, fail, already came back down, so still nothing much happening lah, Dayang. Okay, it's trying to make a double bottom, maybe it's trying to make a double bottom, breakout. Now the breakout point is here already, here. Okay, it's here. So we have to wait lah. It need to have such big momentum, only we can consider this as a breakout lah. Or else it's just something like sideways. 2 ringgit. Okay, break above 2 ringgit, then only we talk lah. Today we have some momentum. But see the volume average is 5.7. Today is 2.9. So it's not like not big big volume. Goring lah. Sendai today got some momentum. Sendai up 14%. Okay, so volume also up 1 million to 7 million, 1.7. But we do have a double top. I think this is chance to run. I still think this is chance to run. Okay, I don't think this is chance to play lah. I think this is chance to run. I think one more push up, run first. If you buy high, you already run first lah. It's quite obvious lah. We got a double top lah. Okay, it's very quite obvious. Okay, so okay. Any rebound, I think chance to run for Sendai. Copy. Today everybody already sure looking at copy, right? Morning I wake up, so I take a look at Bursa 9 o'clock, also got some momentum. You see it got stuck at the neckline. This is not so good, okay, but volume up 4 million to 11 million, okay. Because Friday evening there are some selling lah. Okay, as long as next week it continue to pump above, next Monday, Tuesday it continue to pump above 0.75, goes above, stay above 0.75, okay. But if cannot, okay, if it turn around next week, you have to cut down already, means it could be not happening, okay, it could be not happening, okay, it can move up, but for now it's still okay, we have to wait next Monday, Tuesday, whether it can stay above 0.745, stay above, I think it's good. If you cannot stay above, then you have to be careful a bit, but for now looks okay, For now it looks okay. Orient is still downtrending lah. Still downtrending. Look at this, it's still downtrending. Actually you can draw a channel here lah. Okay. Actually you can draw a channel. It started a downtrend lah. Okay. It started a downtrend. Okay. Unless it break out lah. TMK. Okay, TMK could be making a bottom here. You want to watch, TMK could be making a bottom here. Okay, you might want to watch. Okay, if you can break, okay, if you can break out and break 1.21, 1.23. Okay, if you can break 1.23, maybe something coming. It might make double. It might make a reversal pattern. Because it already start divergence, so there is a chance that it could have a rebound from a bottom lah. Not saying bull market lah, at least a rebound lah. UWC Franken Genting. Okay, UWC still no breakout 1.87, not yet. No doubt got some volume, but so late Friday evening, what can they do, right? This one also, Franken also, any rebound, but we got double top here, it's not good lah. Any rebound, still chance to run also. Volume also not that much, 4.6 million, average down 1.16. No doubt we got 3% up, but this is not, it's not a very big push lah. Big push you can see with volume, or like copy, we got double the volume. Then there is more, this is much higher probability than a push up without a lot of volume. Genting probably is making the bottom here 1.14. There's chance if we can break 180, then maybe the chance slowly go up lah. Okay. thing is right, the shuffling, you know, right? The CEO now become, I think become chairman, right? The family lah, okay. So they are letting outsiders start to run the, maybe got better, maybe got fresh input, maybe can have some good development lah, okay. Okay, I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Tomorrow Saturday. Bye.